Hello and welcome to another video. Today is going to be a product photography behind the scenes video. In this video I show you how I shot a Samsung SSD in my garage studio. I'm still recovering from my burnout and notice that I'm slowly gaining some of my energy back every now and then. And with some ups and downs, I try to be more and more productive. It still costs a lot more energy to create a video from start to finish than before. And definitely the hardest thing about making videos with a lack of energy is that you don't get into your creative zone anymore. So sometimes it's really hard to pick up the camera to shoot pictures, and then I'm not even thinking about making videos yet. But my goal is to get back on schedule and upload one video every week again. So I'm looking forward to get back into that rhythm as soon as possible. Now these behind the scenes videos get me back to shooting and experimenting. And this is something that I really started to miss when I was just making informational or single topic videos for you. And hopefully they also provide you with some fun and valuable insights into product photography itself. So let me know in the comment section below, do you like these behind the scenes setups while I just play around and experiment in my garage with my camera? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. For today's shoot, I just grabbed a SSD that was laying around on my desk. It's from my Atomos Ninja 5 recorder, and I had no clear vision of what I wanted to shoot today. So just waiting for creative splurge to see what I can come up with on the spot. For this shot I went for nailing the product shot, and I focused less on getting the background perfect in camera, as that would have cost me a lot more time and effort to do everything. So I added the lights one by one, starting off with my main light with the main large gradient over the whole product face of the SSD, and then adding the backlight as the second light, and finally using the bounce card to fill in the gradient on the bottom of the SSD. Alright, so I am gonna do a quick run through the complete setup now. Let's start off with the camera and lens. Nikon Z6 70-200 at 85 millimeters approximately. And for the settings, I'm at 13th of seconds, f11, ISO 160. And for the lights, I have a single godox SL60W. Got the nanlite pavotube 26C at 75%. As my subject, I have the Samsung SSD. I think it's a Evo something. The 860 Evo, 500 gigabytes. I use this in my Ninja 5 recorder, and I'm working with two C-stands at this moment. For the tripod, I have my Manfrotto tripod and just a plain background clamped to the table. And I'm tethering to my laptop over here. Let's get rid of those reflections. Just a quick tether setup with CaptureOne. And for the reflection on, this lower reflection, because this is one of the shots that I really like. A lot of gradients, the main gradient on the product itself. Slide corner, that's where the pavotube comes in, and then this little one is just this silver reflector sheet. Just holding it underneath so it lights the corners and the edges. And that's it for this setup. And now it's time to get into the edit. In total I spent about an hour in Photoshop really cleaning up the product itself, the Samsung SSD, and then finalizing with the background, adding some gradients and making it look cohesive and nice. I did want to get the feeling into the image that the light is coming, or an extra light is coming from the left top corner a bit. Therefore there's also the highlight on the product, and I left the background a bit lighter in that area. And yeah, that's all that I did. And the final layer or final edit step that I took was just a camera raw filter to bring everything out a bit more, add some contrast, add a little touch of color, and really make it look nice. And after about 4 or 5 hours preparing, shooting, editing all together, this is the final result. I really love the final image. It's definitely my style, nice and dark, and I really like the highlights, smooth gradients, and how the textures of the different materials look. That's always something that I look for and what I like to see in my images. So that was it for this video, for this behind the scenes video. Let me know what you think about the final image in the comment section below. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to get notified of my future content. Thank you for watching and have a very nice day.